The bathroom is typically an area part of the building that contains either a bathtub or a shower. ARTWEGER is one of the leading companies in developing products for the bathroom. It is made of long-lasting quality and maximum functionality, more beautiful and pleasant for any user. In building, barrier-free showers and baths will involve the professionalism and expertise of the workers. To establish a horizontal plane measurement, a level device is used to get the exact measurement. After setting up the measurement, the components are now installed. It takes hard work in installing the components of the bathtub. After establishing the components, it's time to connect the other materials to the bathtub. These include the hose for the water, foundation of the object, and the leveling of the position. This is a design for all that exceeded the expectation of the user. The bathtub door is one of the most comfortable designs for bathing, especially for the full shower when things have to be done quickly. With this design, shower and bathing are just done in one place, which has a very futuristic approach to the customer. These inclusive solution design also fit in small bathrooms and meet all the requirements of a modern bathroom for every generation. This is the construction and installation of twin-line 2 bathtubs of the future that combines bathtub with shower, easy access, takes up little space, quick installed and exchanged, and offers unique and different experience compared to other designs. Tiles and bricks with a traditional design are the trends in the future. Concrete brick is a mixture of cement and aggregate, usually sand, formed in molds and cured. In this process, the worker makes sure that certain mineral colors are added to produce a concrete brick and tiles design. The mold is placed proportional to the ground. The worker places the cement with aggregates and water to the mold which form the bricks. The plastering will establish the brick look design of the mold. After completing the molding, it is now ready for air drying. To master this work, it takes years of experience to establish brick and tiles with traditional design. Bricks design is the trend of the future. This traditional design making has also evolved over the years. This technology was built to establish bricks. The components of aggregates and cement are mixed to the molding design built into the machine. The worker makes sure that the measurement of the raw materials is right. These components will establish the durability of the product, both with high quality and cost-effective. The machine has pressing tools power to compact the components and produces quality and advanced bricks design as output. starting the project, the coating and other materials should mix properly to establish strength in the parts. First, the sample bricks parts should be clean free of dust. The workers use a brush to remove any solid particle trap from the object. After that, the object is grouped together based on their design and sizes. Now, the wall is ready for attachment of the components. Apply a cement plastering to level the compound of the wall surface and with a smooth design look. The objects are now attached to the surface. This process involved professionalism and years of experience since other materials have not enough size to fit the wall. The alignment and arrangement of the object are very difficult, especially for an unskilled worker. The worker is making sure that the object fit perfectly into the wall with a proper distance from each other. If the object is too large to fit, the worker marked the object to cut it to achieve the right measurement. The empty spaces of the wall are filling up with a cut stone to establish a good-looking wall design. After establishing the foundation of the wall, the plastering will now proceed on the top portion of the wall. Every stone is thoroughly checked by the worker and categorized based on the style and sizes. This process will enable the workers to identify where to put the stone and what measurement of the stone should be cut. To establish the even output of the wall, cellophane formed like a cone filled with coating materials are used to fill the empty spaces of the wall. Every single space of the wall must be filled with the materials. The worker checks the dried coating materials and checks if there is an area that still needs improvement. The wiring is also managed properly for the safety purpose of the worker. The edge of the wall is also checked. To establish a smooth edge, the worker makes sure that the edge design is consistent with the whole design of the wall.